Finance NBFCs have been in focus, and recently we have seen BofA Securities initiating coverage on both Manappuram Finance as well as Muthoot Finance with a buy rating, and also we're seeing that the stock of Manappuram Finance has gained considerably in the recent days. The stock is up over 3% in trade today, and Muthoot Finance also is up 1%. It's up over 1% in trade today. In fact, BofA Securities initiates coverage on Manappuram Finance, stating that the gold loan franchisee is grossly undervalued. They have initiated coverage with a buy rating with a target price of rupees 225 per share, and if you look at the current market price, it is slightly over 170 rupees per share. They are stating that India's second largest gold loan NBFC is grossly undervalued, and if you look past the near-term stress in its MFI portfolio, which forms close to around 22% share, then the overall business model is fairly well placed to deliver nearly around 20% EPS growth and 24% return on equity over FY24. They're stating that the existing valuation grossly undervalues the overall gold loan business, and we should see re-rating there as MFI credit cost, which is the microfinance credit costs, are likely to improve. They're stating that the gold loan book is likely to resume steady growth from 2Q of FY22 onwards, and they expect growth of nearly around 12 to 15% per annum from second quarter of FY22. A renewed focus on customers, and with the latest loan to value ratio of just 63% and scope for sustained increase in the ticket size, allows for a positive surprise on the AUM growth. Strong profitability and negligible credit cost in the gold loan segment, which is nearly 70% of Manappuram Finance book, ensures that the group delivers ROEs of over 20% in times of micro stress. And they also state that the credit cost is likely to peak in first half of FY22, as there were concerns in terms of the MFI portfolio for Manappuram Finance, and hence they are valuing Manappuram Finance at rupees 225 per share on a 1.7x consolidated price to book value, which is an upside of over 30% easily from the current levels. Speaking about Muthoot Finance, BofA Securities has initiated coverage with a buy, stating that this is best in class gold lender, and they have a target price of 1890 rupees per share on Muthoot Finance. They're stating that in terms of Muthoot Finance, it is well placed to benefit from the rising demand for gold loans, as underbanked borrowers see it as an easy and relatively cheaper source of personal as well as business loans. BofA believes that the valuation has scope for re-rating further as the loan book scales, and they expect the loan book to grow nearly around 18% CAGR over FY24, and that Muthoot Finance will continue to deliver industry-leading growth of nearly around 21% growth in the earnings per share and ROEs of close to around 27%. They also believe that the rupees 1 trillion gold loan book for Muthoot Finance is an ambitious and achievable target, and the company has already started working towards achieving the goal of reaching 1 lakh crore in terms of a loan book, and they're forecasting 18% loan growth over FY24. They're also stating that they're forecasting a 21% earnings growth and 27% return on equity through FY24 for Muthoot Finance, and hence they're valuing the entire franchisee itself at 3.2x price to book value multiple for the overall gold loan finance business. So yes, watch out for both these stocks in trade.